Surprise, surprise! Did you know that an average American consumes approximately 22 pounds of butter each year? And while butter is undeniably delicious, it's also high in saturated fats, which can contribute to heart disease if consumed in large quantities. So, whether you're looking to improve your heart health, reduce your fat intake, or simply experiment with new flavors, swapping out butter for a healthier alternative can be a game changer. Now let's dive into the world of butter substitutes. First on the list is avocado. This creamy green fruit is nature's butter. It's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. You can use pureed avocado as a one-to-one substitute for butter in baking recipes, or spread it on toast for a nutritious and tasty breakfast. Next up, Greek yogurt. It's a fantastic substitute for butter, especially in baking. It adds a tangy flavor and a moist, delicate texture to your baked goods. It's also high in protein and low in fat. For every cup of butter in a recipe, you can use half a cup of Greek yogurt. Third, we have coconut oil. It's an excellent vegan alternative to butter, with a similar consistency and a slightly sweet tropical flavor. It's also rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which are fats that your body can use for immediate energy. In most recipes, you can swap butter for coconut oil at a 1-to-1 ratio. Fourth on our list is applesauce. It might sound surprising, but unsweetened applesauce can replace butter in many baking recipes. It adds moisture and a subtle sweetness, and it's low in calories and fat. Use half the amount of applesauce as the butter called for in your recipe. Lastly, we have nut butters. Almond butter, peanut butter, cashew butter. These are all wonderful, nutrient-packed substitutes for butter. They're rich in healthy fats and protein, and they can add a delicious nutty flavor to your dishes. Use them in a 1-to-1 ratio for butter in most recipes, or spread them on toast for a quick and healthy snack. In summary, there are numerous healthy substitutes for butter that offer a variety of flavors and health benefits. Avocado, Greek yogurt, coconut oil, applesauce, and nut butters each have their unique properties and uses. Whether you're baking a cake or whipping up a stir-fry, these alternatives can help you reduce your saturated fat intake and add some exciting new flavors to your meals. Remember, it's all about balance and making small changes that add up to a healthier lifestyle. So, why not give one of these butter substitutes a try the next time you're in the kitchen? Your heart and your taste buds will thank you.